Now that I've got most of my ingredients into my skillet, I'm just gonna add in a couple of eggs. Oop, let me get that shell out of there. About 3 eggs. We are adding in 1 cup of water. We're putting in a 1/4 cup of oil here. And our good old-fashioned Betty Crocker French vanilla cake mix. Y'all, this looks perfect. We love to do this, especially in the summer. So fun for our family, for our friends. Everyone kind of loves this. You can do it, you know, at home, or you can do it when you're on vacation. But it is just a family favorite. There's something for everyone in this. You could add even more to customize it if you want, some chocolate chips or what have you. But we think this is gonna be super, super tasty, super easy to do. Look how quick we whip this up. Love it. All right, I'm just gonna give this a little pour right on top of my skillet here. Just our French vanilla cake mix. Use whatever flavor cake mix you like.
Okay.
Sorry. All right, I'm bringing in my grate here above my fire. I'm gonna just move my cast iron pan right here on top of the grate. We're gonna pop the lid on this and we're gonna let that go for about 45 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, we've had this cooking out here for 45 minutes. We're just gonna take this inside and let it cool. Alrighty, y'all, our cake has cooled completely. Well, cake, it's more than a cake. It's a dessert on so many levels, so many layers. I just melted a little bit of frosting here, which I'm just gonna drizzle right on top. This is totally optional, of course. And if you're cooking this on your open flame like I am, of course, just put a little frosting if you want it melted right up next to that flame and it will melt so quick. Oh, kind of looks like a Pop-Tart now. Moment of truth, can't wait to cut into this multi-layer dessert. We got our cookie dough at the bottom and our Lucky Charms cookies on top with some marshmallows. We've got our cake batter. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is decadent. This looks so good. I gotta make sure I'm cutting all the way through our cookie crust there. And then I'm just gonna come in here, pop this out. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. We've got that chocolate chip cookie at the bottom, those Lucky Charms cookies on top, some marshmallow, and our cake. Y'all, you gotta take this on your next camping trip. You gotta try it.